What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. As a SHIB holder, you know what we're all waiting for. We're all waiting for the next best thing, the next news that really pushes this thing over the edge. Right? We're looking for it to absolutely explode off of something like, hey, we're gonna burn, 1 trillion coins or 10 trillion coins or something like that, or mass adoption that's gonna happen for, Shiba Inu. And honestly, we haven't really seen anything like that. Most support that we've seen has come from outside of Shiba Inu in the ecosystem, but outside of Shiba Inu and hasn't really affected Shiba Inu, right? We thought that we would see some sort of effect, and that's where we've seen a lot of pumps. But in more recent history, we haven't seen many pumps based off of any type of big news or news that we would think is big, because the initial announcements of everything like Shiba Swap and Bone and Leash and all of these other things that could, be a benefit to Shiba Inu did not end up having that. And when they didn't have that, we're now like, oh, this is the boy who cried wolf, right? You're looking at it and you're going, hey, there's a wolf, there's a wolf, there's a wolf. Or we're seeing burns, we're going to see burns, we're going to see adoption. And then we don't get it. And then it comes again. We're like, we're going to see burns, we're going to see adoption, we're going to see all of this stuff. It doesn't come. So now, anytime we see any type of news, related to Shiba Inu or could benefit Shiba Inu, we're like, yeah, we'll believe it when we see it. So that's kind of where we stand with a lot of people. So we do have some big milestones, some big things that have been accomplished for Shiba Inu, and that's just Shiba Inu not coming from the ecosystem. So honestly, we should have seen some sort of a pump just based off of that news. However, the market is not moving really in the right direction for a lot of things. So yeah, there's definitely a little bit of an issue there. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description for Webull, for Crypto.com, Coinbase, my Patreon, all of those things. And are down below. I apologize for the coughing because I just ate something. So it's like, I don't know. So yeah, do all that stuff. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. So currently Shiba Inu is at 0.00001141. We're seeing it down about 2%. We're seeing the volume that is at $353 million. Total circulating supply, that's been the same pretty much for the entire time that we've been looking at this. The total supply has been that level or been at that level. We look at the market cap, we're at a $6.7 billion market cap, close to that $7 billion market cap, fully diluted 6.7. The highest price we've seen today was 1171, which would be really, really good. Not the best that we've seen it, but whatever. And the lowest price we've seen today is 1130. Now, you're probably asking yourself, like, what's this big news? I mean, everybody else is like kind of already talked about it, but basically it hovers around Binance, right? You go into this article, you're going to see that Shiba Inu milestone has been reached. Binance moves SHIB out of innovation zone. Now, we will get into exactly what that is. A significant milestone for Shiba Inu token. Binance has announced its decision to move SHIB along with Frax Share, Trust Wallet token, and 1inch out of the innovation zone on April 18th. The move signals increased confidence in the project and their potential for long-term growth and sustainability in the crypto ecosystem. Binance introduced the Innovation Zone as a secure platform for users to trade new and innovative projects while managing their risk. Over time, some projects demonstrate their value and meet the high standards expected by Binance. The exchange conducts periodic reviews to identify such projects and transition them out of the innovation zone. Now, this is big, right? It's not the biggest news ever, but it is something that's standalone for Shiba Inu is a big deal, right? It's not anything that's, outside factor where we're talking about the ecosystem devs that are creating something and we're seeing a launch of Shibarium or the metaverse or all of these other factors that we don't know what they're going to do with it. But we understand that this is a confidence builder for SHIB holders, for SHIB investors, for people that love, Shiba Inu, the project itself and what it could be. it's showing that others do believe, bigger names, do believe that this could be a long-term project, could have sustainability, does have the amount of holders that, creates strength within the position. That it's not something that will be rug pulled, because we know that it is completely decentralized. We know that, we are the ones that control what's going to happen there. And as a group, not saying like a single person controls anything, it's as a group we control it. If we see the group give up, then obviously Shiba Inu does not do well, but we're not seeing the community give up on it. The project is big, and now they are starting to understand this. Honestly, I think this should have been the case way back when. I mean, we saw this at a $50 billion market cap or $40 billion market cap. Now we're seeing that happen at a 6.7 or $7 billion market cap. It's kind of not too little too late, but definitely at a later point than what I expected. But either way, it creates confidence. I'm really excited about it. And other people are excited about it too. Now, we've seen a bunch of videos on it. We've seen a bunch of people talking about it on Twitter. I've seen it flooded on Twitter. But the thing is, you're not seeing the reaction like I thought we would see. Again, typically when you see any type of big news like this, you understand that SHIB will end up moving. Now, two factors to that. One, the overall market is falling down. And two, like I said in the beginning of this video, the boy who cried wolf. Right? We're looking at anything that was created, anything that was launched, anything that was put forth here. And we've seen pumps, right? From wellies all the way up to the launch of the beta for Shibarium. All of the things that happened in between, we saw reactions. We saw pumps and pushes, and, went up to 10%, 20%, 30%, 100%. And it didn't do anything for SHIB itself. So we're not seeing the reaction now, because people are like, yeah, you know what? I see that something new happened, but I will believe that this will affect Shiba Inu when I see it affect Shiba Inu, right? I'm not going to go out and just buy more Shiba Inu because of it. And I understand the reason why. I mean, you became desensitized. I can't even say that. Desensitized to all of these, big news, breaking news scenarios, that now you're like, all right, I'll just believe it when I see it. So I totally understand why SHIB is not making a move, because of the fact that the market and people just wanting to believe what they see rather than believing what they're hearing. So you let me know what you're thinking, because I know the market should react, but it's not. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And to give my honest opinion, this is big news. Whether the market is reacting or not, whether Shiba Inu is reacting or not, this is big news. This is something that I can be happy with, and you should be happy with as well, no matter if your portfolio is not growing in dollar values. So again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.